Lights on the trees under falling snow. You get a bit closer when the winter's cold. Now I can't wait till you're by my side. All of the best gifts you just can't buy. Wherever you go, you light up the room. I hope that you'll make it back home soon. 'Cause it won't feel like Christmas without you. I wish we were kissing under mistletoe. The stars in the sky just can't match your glow. Now I can't wait till you're by my side. We'll be warm by the fire all night. Oh, I wanna hold you while the bells are all ringing. Want you to be here while the angels singing. Days are perfect when I got you near. My only wish is you here. Wherever you go, you light up the room. I hope that you'll make it back home soon. 'Cause it won't feel like Christmas without you. Wherever you are, you brighten the moon. I hope that you'll make it back home soon. 'Cause it won't feel like Christmas without you. Without you, we could be outside dancing under moonlight, watching the snow fall over our heads. We could be inside trying to sing the lines right, laughing until we fall out of bed. So when I wake up on Christmas Day, I hope the first thing I see is your face. Wherever you go, you light up the room. I hope that you'll make it back home soon. 'Cause it won't feel like Christmas without you. Wherever you are, you brighten the moon. I hope that you'll make it back home soon. 'Cause it won't feel like Christmas without you. It won't feel like Christmas without you.